Note-taking is an essential part of any academic or professional work. Good notes can help you remember important information, stay organized, and study more effectively. However, taking good notes is not always easy, and many students struggle with organizing their study materials. In this article, we will discuss some tips for taking better notes and organizing your study materials. Part 1. Before class, be prepared. Before attending a lecture or class, make sure that you have all the necessary materials, including textbooks, pens, highlighters, and notebooks. Being prepared will help you stay focused during the lecture. Create a system. Develop a note-taking system that works for you. There are many different methods for taking notes, including Cornell Notes, mind maps, and outline notes. Find a method that works best for your learning style and stick to it. Review the syllabus. Review the syllabus for the course and make note of important dates, assignments, and topics that will be covered in class. This will help you prioritize your note-taking and stay organized throughout the course. Part 2. During class, be engaged. Pay attention during class and actively participate in discussions. This will help you stay engaged and make connections between different topics covered in the lecture. Write down key points. Write down the most important points of the lecture in your notes. This can include definitions, examples, and main ideas. Use abbreviations. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time and space in your notes. This can help you keep up with the pace of the lecture and write down more information. Highlight important information. Use highlighters or different colored pens to mark important information in your notes. This can help you quickly locate important information when studying. Part 3. After class, review your notes. Review your notes after class and fill in any missing information. This will help you better understand the material and prepare for exams. Organize your notes. Organize your notes by topic or date. This can make it easier to review and study for exams. Create flashcards. Use your notes to create flashcards for studying. This can help you memorize important information and review key concepts. Share your notes. Share your notes with classmates or study groups. This can help you fill in any missing information and gain a better understanding of the material. Conclusion. Taking good notes is an important part of academic and professional success. By being prepared, developing a note-taking system, and staying engaged during lectures, you can take better notes and organize your study materials more effectively. By reviewing your notes, organizing them by topic or date, and creating flashcards, you can study more efficiently and retain information more effectively. With these tips and techniques, you can become a better note taker and achieve your academic and professional goals.